yamakadai kuteerera panguva dzino ndiyo channel yenyu inonzi Kulian TV apo patinokupai ma-updates nezvinhu zvakasiyana-siyana zvinenge zvichiitika nekutora nzvimbo munyika yekwedu. Pandiri kuuya kuzvino pandiri kutaura nemi ndauya nespeech iri kutaurwa naadvocate Chamisa musi we-Independence Day. Panapa vane mashoko mazhinji avari kudurura ari kubva pasi pemwoyo wavo. Saka ndangoti aiwa regedza tibva tangodzifambira since uriwo musi wacho we-Independence Day tichinzwawo kuti ivo vari kuti kudii. So nyaya yavo vari kuti igniting the independence promise Zimbabwe at 46. CAB3 is a grave assault and attack on the independence promise. The independence promise was a promise of a freedom of one man, one vote, a promise of dignity and sovereignty, a promise of justice, a promise of peace, a promise of tolerance, a promise of unity and oneness, a promise of success of the African citizen, a promise of opportunity for young people, a promise of dignity in retirement and social security, a promise of better education, better health care and social services, a promise of good governance and good governance upon inclusive national processes and self-determination, a promise of hope. That is the promise, and that promise has been broken. We are now notorious in the negatives. We constantly hit the lowest benchmark and score highly in the negatives. We are more divided than ever before. We are more apart than ever before. We are poorer than ever before. We are the more depressed people than ever before. We are more oppressed people than ever before. We are more disappointed people than ever before. We are more delusioned people than ever before. We, the citizens, reiterate that only a political and constitutional settlement that gives birth to a citizen and national-centered government ushered by credible national processes and outcomes is the credible pathway towards the restoration of the independence promise. The road from the independence promise into true transformation. Let this be our charge to history, that we did not inherit a broken promise and accept it, but that we rose united in purpose to restore it. This is our duty. This is our moment. Let us ride in unity and purpose to fulfill the liberation promise, that transformation promise. NC vapedza zvake ndo mashoko avari kubuda vari kutaura vaadvocate. Tinozva kuti tinenge takudzidekesa tinenge takudzida nyaya dzakadai so idzi. Ukaona munhu akubudisa achitaura wachiexplaina zviri pasi pemwoyo zvinhu zvakangonaka. But let me read 2 or 3 comments tobva taona kuti zvakamira sei. Now umwe ari kuti this is not helpful. If you are doing to shoot down CAB3, you can't speak in broad terms. You need to comment in detail and break down your arguments. There is a need to engage in process debate like the likes of Professor Jonathan Moyo and give the people true and complete view of the progress. Umagati, and it is the masses who have the duty to hold those power accountable, not individuals. Unity is strength. Domashoko arikubudiswa nemumwe mwari kuti change is not always easy, but it is worthwhile. Our destiny crafted by us, prayed for by our pastors and all members. Citizens, power forward forever, backward never. Right, apana chinyowan apa. As a motivational speaker, all we can say is powerful message. What's the actual move from here though? Otherwise it starts sounding like the same script, just different voice. Everyone is saying the same thing. You are babbling on social media. Ndatopedza ndichadeni nyaya dzacho dzodetsa chatotodonzwa kuti dzimwe kwacho kuri kunzwi maZimbabweans vagara vane pamuromo pazingaiti maiwi inini. But muri Zimbabwe message maiona ndoenda bva kuningina yataurwa nemukomana akati inini nangu nyaya dzenhingirikini dzika idzi tazonyanyirwa zvizhinji zvinenge zvingotaura. But anyways, I'd want to thank you guys for tuning in muchinzwa zvinhu zvinenge zvichiitika. Kana pachinge pabuda imwe nyaya muchandoona futi ndadzoka ndichikuzivisai kuti nyaya dzacho dzinenge dzichifamba sei. Thank you so much. Bye bye.